The division of the net property pool may be difficult and lead to much conflict, particularly if an inheritance has been or will shortly be received by one party. Is it fair for one party receiving the inheritance to keep it all, or should it become part of the net property pool available for division? When considering whether an inheritance will be included in the net property pool, we must consider when the inheritance was received by one or both parties. Distinction will be made depending on if the inheritance was received before, during, or after the relationship. The court has a broad discretion in dealing with post-separation windfalls, such as inheritance in property settlement matters. There are two main approaches the court can adopt. Firstly, the global approach, where the court considers all assets, liabilities, and superannuation entitlements of both parties in one pool and divides it as a whole. This is the most common approach. Secondly, the asset-by-asset approach, where an inheritance is considered as a financial resource from other assets with the contributions of each party assessed differently. This approach is less common but has been applied in some family law cases. The timing of when an inheritance is received may also impact the court's decision. If received during the relationship, it may be treated as a financial contribution to the joint asset pool. The longer the relationship, the less weight this contribution may have. For example, a $1 million inheritance received in a 3-year relationship may be treated differently as a $100,000 inheritance received during the course of a 20-year relationship. However, if the inheritance is received post-separation, it may be considered as a financial resource for the recipient. If this is the case, the court may determine an adjustment for future need factors. It is important to remember that each family law matter is unique and the approach taken by the court is at its discretion. If you need any further information or need legal advice with respect to inheritances and how they may impact your property settlement matter, please reach out to us for a confidential consultation.